Hi, in this video we will have a look on how to change delivery times in products. For this we will move into a product first. On the catalog products we select our party pack, and in the general settings you can scroll down to the field deliverability. Here you can see that the delivery time is currently 1 to 3 days, and we have a list of 4 values to choose from. But what if I need another one? I can just go to the settings, shop settings, delivery times. And here you can see the same list as we had in the product selection. So if you need to edit one, you can do that right here, or we just add a delivery time. For delivery times you need the name. This is what you see in the list in the admin. For example, it's 5 to 7 days. And then of course you need to can select the unit, maybe a day, a week, a month, or a year. And we have to enter a minimum and a maximum value for this, like 5 and 7. And if we save that, we can see that we now have a new option to choose from, which we are now going to select. So we move back to the product, scroll down to the deliverability, and here you can see 5 to 7 days as a new option. And we're going to change that. And before we head up to the storefront view to see what it looks like, we can move to our settings, just a quick tip. And we have our cart settings. And in the cart settings, you can also choose to show the delivery time in the cart. And we will see that in the storefront just in a second. Here in the storefront, we can now see that this product has a delivery time from 5 to 7 days as it is available. And if you now put it into the cart and go to the shopping cart, we can also see that we have a delivery period with a special date displayed. So this is a bit more convenient for customers for longer delivery times.